Now let's go back to our chart of accounts. Then we need to modify some of the item on the chart of account. So now let me go back. I can click here, or I'll come to list and I'll click on chart of accounts. Now we have items that we imputed here. They are all in catalog. That is what we imputed. And then the one that came with the software is this one with small letters, so that we will know the one that we imputed and the one that came automatically. So now let's scroll down and see what we've done so far. Now you can see the chart of account now that we have assets. Starting from assets, all these bank, they are current assets. And if you could remember, we said that when we're talking about chart of account, it's being categorized into assets, liabilities, equity, expenses, and revenue. So now we can see all our assets now. Look at this. Banks is assets. Account receivable is assets. Inventory is assets. Then we have fixed assets as well, as you can see that. Then we have account payable, which is liabilities. We have other liabilities there. We have long-term liabilities. Also, we have equity. Equity, is that not? We have equity and we have income. But under this income, I would like to edit this sales to revenue. Let me turn it to revenue. I want to edit. I'm not creating. Okay, so I'll just turn it to revenue. Revenue. Okay, so that's it. Revenue. Then I'll save and close. Okay, this is it now. Revenue. All right. Now the next thing that I have to do is that this cost of goods sold. You know, we have two products. Is that not? We have product that is called cement gum and product that is called waterproofing. But when we were inputting our inventory item, we only based our cost of goods on this one, this first cost of goods. So now I have to delete this one. We don't need it. So I'll delete this one. And I will now need to modify this cost of goods sold. I will modify it. Let me edit it first. I'll edit it to cost of goods sold. Okay, let me call it cost of sales. Let me call it cost of sales. Cost of sales. Cost of sales. Okay, sorry. Sales. Okay, then I'll save and close. And then I will now create cost of sales for cement gum and cost of sales for waterproofing. All right, so now let me create another cost of sales. So I'll just create new, then I'll come down to other type, then I'll select cost of goods sold, then I'll create that. I'll call it cost of sales. Cost of sales, then okay, I'll put that for cement gum, so CG. I'll close that. And then I'll now make it a sub account for cost of sales. Here is it. So I'll make it that one. Then I'll create another cost of sales again. Cost of sales. Another cost of sales for waterproofing. So which is WP. Waterproofing. Okay, then I'll make it sub account for cost of sales. Then I'll save and close. Now it means that we are having two different costs of sales: the cost of sales for cement gum and cost of sales for waterproofing. Now we can now go back to our item list so that we now edit the list. Now the first one, which is bisolam calcium. Let me cancel this. Bisolam calcium, I will edit it. It belongs to waterproofing, so I'll edit it. Then I'll select cost of sales. which is for waterproofing. Then I'll save that. Okay, then diphos acid, I'll edit that as well. It belongs to waterproofing. I'll save that. Okay, then we have OPC material. It belongs to what? Cement gum. So I'll click for CG, then I'll save that. All right, packaging sack for CG, I'll click it and edit it to CG. All right, then I'll save that. Then packaging sack for waterproofing, I'll edit it. Then I'll change the cost of sales to waterproofing. Then I'll save that. WPC, that is for CG, I'll edit it. That is cement gum. Okay, then I'll save that. Then we have, okay, this one, they are finished product. Then let's go to our label for CG. Then we edit it, edit item. Then we'll select for CG and then okay. Yes. Then the next one is label for WP, that is waterproofing. I'll edit it. I'll change it to waterproofing. Then okay. Then the next one is production overhead for CG, that is for cement gum. I'll edit it and then I will change this one to CG. Then I will okay that, yes. And then production overhead for waterproofing, we edit that as well. Then we change this cost of sales to waterproofing. Then we will save that. Now what we did now, it means that we have categorized the costs, these items to different cost of sales. The cost of sales for cement gum and the cost of sales for waterproofing.